Facebook delete post recovery. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can recover the deleted post on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To recover a deleted post on Facebook is actually very simple. So if you happen to delete something from your Facebook profile, you can simply first of all come to your profile page. If you happen to delete a certain photo over here, right, and then you want to restore those photos, how do you do that? To do that is very simple. Make sure you're on your profile page, then just tap the three dots button that you can find over here. Then under that, one of the options you'll find here is known as activity log. So tap on activity log option here. When you go to activity log, now you can look at the very top, one of the option that says is recycle bin. So you can tap on recycle bin option and you will see any sort of post that you might have deleted over here, and then basically you can choose to restore them if you'd like. So just go to recycle bin. If you have a certain post, you can tap the three dots option and you can choose to restore them. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then make a deleted post recovery. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.